Here's an easy hack to make any inexpensive red wine taste just a little bit better. Pour it into a blender. Now before you do that, take some of the wine and pour it into a glass off to the side. Then take the rest of the wine, pour it into the blender, and get it a little frothy. Now before you think I'm crazy, there's a little bit of science in this. What you're doing when you're pouring inexpensive red wine into a blender is you're super aerating it. And aeration is a good thing for wine. Some experts also think that by pouring the wine in the blender, you're taking some of the tannins out and making the wine taste smoother. Now you'll notice that I said inexpensive red wine a number of times. I'm going to draw a line in the sand here and say this is a good thing for wine under $20. For wine over $20, I'm not sure I'd try it. But do try it for your inexpensive red wine and compare the blended wine against the non-blended wine. I think you're going to find that the wine in the blender tastes just a little bit better. I'm Pat the Wine Guy, and I'll see you next time.